Welcome back to the Raven Report.
Here's the latest news and a big announcement.
This month we have only one holiday on Monday, February 20th for President's Day. There will be no school. From 2 to 4 p.m. on Sunday, February 26th, our elementary campuses will host a Parent Academy Day at the Mayborn Museum. This special event is free to all elementary families, and everyone is encouraged to attend. Welcome back to the Raven Report. I'm here with a person who needs no introduction, but Dr. Alexis Newman, our superintendent, who's here to give us some updates about what the next year is going to look like for Rapoport Academy. We have a brand new calendar to announce to you. So Dr. Newman, tell me about next year's calendar and what changes there may be.
Absolutely. So I'm really excited about this calendar. You know, in true Rapoport form, we have done some innovation. We're trying to get it out to you guys as soon as possible. But when you look through the calendar, there's a couple of key things that I really want you to pay attention to. So one, we know that the most effective way for students to learn is by having a balanced, ready, excited, high quality teacher in the classroom. So we've done some best practice research, and we have flexed our calendar a little bit to add in some staff development days throughout the year so that those teachers can not only rest and recuperate, but can dig into student data and create intervention plans for students as we go through the year. So look at the calendar that we've posted, and you'll see some staff development days. You'll see that we still start in August, but we get out before the end of May. We've built in a fall break this year, which is pretty new. You'll see a lot of crazy calendars coming out across the state of Texas, and ours is innovative, but we also really wanted to pay attention to what families need. And families need their kids in school, and they need their kids in school with a high quality teacher. So look for the fall break. There's still a Thanksgiving break, a spring break. It's a little bit of a different time this year. It matches the schools in our area, but pay attention to those dates. We have the winter break in the middle. We have holidays throughout the year. So just take a look at it. We wanted you to be able to plan ahead of time. We are working on some special programs for those days when the students are going to be out that wouldn't normally be holidays. So just pay attention to some of those days, and we'll send you information as soon as we have events planned for those days as well. But we are really excited about the calendar, not only for students, but for our staff as well.
Awesome. That calendar is going to be available at rapoportacademy.org/calendar. You can go ahead and download that. We'll also be sending that home to families. It's been approved by the board, so it's ready to go for next year. Last week, our district celebrated homecoming with dress-up days, an alumni luncheon, a pep rally, homecoming basketball games, and a high school dance. It was a wonderful week to celebrate being a Raven. Our basketball teams both won their homecoming games against Chilton ISD, and our basketball seniors enjoyed special recognition during a senior night presentation to a huge crowd of fans and supporters. Well, sports fans for Rapoport Academy and all of our student athletes have been waiting for this moment for a long time, but Dr. Newman is back with another really big update for our Rapoport Academy Ravens.
Oh, it's a really big update. We have been working for years. Those of you that have been involved with Rapoport Academy have known we've kind of been through the ringer a little bit when it comes to our sports facilities. The last couple of years have been exciting for the community with the community center coming in right here next door to our campus, but it's really left us without a home for our PE programs and our athletes. However, we've been able to work out a partnership for some land that actually adjoins right to the backside of our Elm Street campus. And on that space, it is large enough that we're going to be able to build our very own athletic facility. I'm so excited. There's all sorts of things. I'm going to put up a draft of the floor plans for you guys right now. We are far enough along in the draft that I can actually release it to y'all. There may be some minor changes between that, but I hope you guys will be as excited about this facility as we are. So we are ready to move forward. We're going to be releasing some construction manager RFPs coming up. I don't have a timeline for construction yet. We kind of have to get the construction managers in place first, but we're working out the last few details through the city. But I am beyond excited to finally be able to say we've got our own land and we're going to be building our own facility.
Awesome. And that is a basketball gym. Yes. That will seat 400 fans?
It'll seat right about 480 fans. It'll have basketball and volleyball. It'll have a 6-goal basketball facility, so full court or 2 half court side by sides. And then we'll also have volleyball for either a double net or a single net. So there'll be home side stands. There'll be visitor side stands. There's 2 full locker rooms, 2 full dressing rooms, a concession area, a ticket entry area, a small meeting room, a workout room for our athletes and our staff. staff. And then there's offices for athletic staff and storage and all sorts of things. It'll have sound systems. We'll be able to do graduation and dances there, hold professional development activities there, partner with our community because, again, Rapoport spaces are community spaces. So we hope to be able to have sports tournaments or community events, all sorts of things there. But we are just beyond excited.
And that's going to be adjoining our Elm campus right here where Rapoport's our home base, so we don't have to transport students anywhere. They're going to be able to just walk over to our gym. Our gym. So exciting. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Newman, and we can't wait to see how this is going to play out, but it's going to be amazing.
Absolutely. And we'll keep you updated through all of our social media outlets and even on the website as we move forward. So hopefully here within just a few weeks, we might even start to see some signs up and some dirt turning.
Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for more.